Just a quick recap, we're replacing the seals. I'm just going to take out the top rubber here, and there it comes out that. Oh, there it comes. And that's the old rubber seal out. After giving this a clean out, here's the new seal. Put some of the some fork oil on it. You can even put fork oil on the inside here. And then this goes with the spring in there, open side down. A 32 socket. So we can tap that down. I'll just check it's going in square all the time. Then push in the C-clip. There we go. They go in easy enough. Again, a bit of fork oil on it to help it go down. You can do this with the fork in place, or they should go down. And I found a drift on the edge when you get upside down. Actually works pretty well, so just move around it. And that's that part. Washer and screw and some copper slip. Some copper slip, because that will just stop it seizing in there. Because don't have to be over tight because they're just dead. Here we go. Now we need to put the bolt back in. So a new copper washer. Just first of all, we got to get it started. There we go. And then with our bars joined or anything to push down, we put the pressure the thing so we can tighten it. Just put the camera back in just so we can see. And it's tight. Now make sure the fork leg is fully extended. Drop in your spring with the side up. And put in your fork oil. It takes 238 milliliters. That goes down. Then you need your cap with a new rubber seal. I couldn't get seals as I couldn't get caps, and this one was from this set from Lidl, and it was the number 17 there, the top one, which has an in diameter of 22.4 and 3.55 width on the rubber, and that seems to be a pretty good match to what should be there. You can see a 50. I'm just going to put a tiny bit on it. This is to help stop rust, because boy were these rusted. Put that all around there. It's good for the rubber too. Then we've got to push this down and get the C-clamp on. I've got the cap. Here's the C-clip, so I need to kind of get this down into this. Not always the easiest. Yep. I think that's it. And then that's that part done. You can see the circlip is in place. Because these rust so much, I'm going to pour some AC50 in and use a brush and push it all around the inside. And that is that fork. Finished.
Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.